some test plate, the three at mukbang. Pinga chuan the pinga chain kay mukbang leta. Yang ji tandarang kona baby room leta. Nang as drink chakal style la pa say yam do am the my drink vegetables tin saga dawara the mukbang style chico. Hang on to plow veg plow. Yung do dinala curds, some cucumbers, onion, and a baby tomato. And we have also the Indian chutney. I've already ate the baby tomato. Let's get started.
Let's start.
Yay!
Onion. Onion is very so spicy.
It's very good combination with the chutney and the pulao.
But it's a good party. Onion.
And this of everything is not good for your health. We are going to speak in Russian language because we live in Russia.
Yes.
Давай играть.
Да,
Не болтай, когда ты кушаешь.
ты сама возьми это. Ты кушаешь, а? А здесь капитин.
Хорошо.
А? Сейчас. Сейчас. Очень вкусно. Да? Приятного аппетита.
Спасибо. И тебе тоже.
Спасибо.
Да, şimdi bekle.
Спасибо.
You need to try khichdi and veg pulao with this curd. It's very delicious. I love the combination. It gives you a sweet sour taste. I love that.
Me too. Brother. Mama,
I'm almost to finish. Hooray! We did finish our lunch. Now it's time for dessert. I have here one chocolate which I bought from Hot Tea where we went last Sunday. Yeah, let's open it.
On Sunday.
It looks very delicious.
Yes.
I'll show you this.
Wow.
Wow, it's gorgeous. Let's have a slice.
Black and red. So.
Oh my god, it's so thick. Alright, we have finished everything that we have, dessert and lunch. Now I'm going to stop the video, and always don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and please comment down below if you like our video. And don't forget to subscribe as well. See you in the next vlog. Also, I will upload video tomorrow. So please wait for next video. Okay, bye.